Hey folks, Simon here, and I know that smart lighting has come on in leaps and bounds and it's incredibly common at the moment, but I have to say, this product here takes the cake. This here is the Govee Smart Table Lamp 2 and it is absolutely fantastic. So I've got the app set up here, free app you can download. It's got 60 scenes built into it directly. So with the click of a button, I can go ahead and set this, for example, into a rainbow effect. And if you're wondering, well, how the heck did that work? Because it looks pretty good. Well, we've got 16 million colours here with super smooth transitions and fully adjustable brightness and colour temperatures. So not only does this thing just look the part, it's going to be really usable and functional in pretty much any situation. So whether you're reading, working, relaxing, and the compact modern design here means it is just super convenient. So before I go ahead and show you how to use the Smart Lamp 2, I just want to clarify that Govee did send this out to me as a product sample so that I could test it and record this video. Now, if you want the full functionality of the lamp, you are going to want to download the free Govee app. Really easy, takes about 2 minutes to get that downloaded and get the lamp added. You don't actually need the app, you can use the lamp just as a standalone device. So you have the controls up here on the top and they're going to do pretty much most of the stuff that you need. So obviously you can turn the lamp on and off. Touch controls as well, so really nice feature there. You can adjust the brightness. If we want to go ahead and change it to just a solid light, then we can also do that just with the onboard controls, or we can go ahead and switch the colour of that solid light, or we can switch it straight back to the effects, for example the rainbow effect that I'm currently using here. But we can cycle through the effects too and pick something that we like. So yeah, you don't even need to download the app, but like I say, this is where things get next level. So in the app itself, there are 60 scenes that are preset that you can simply select from a touch of a button. And these are over multiple categories. For example, if I head to the festival category, I can go ahead and with the click of a button, get a nice Christmassy effect going. What I like as well is that there are some sleep settings too. So if I tap one of these sleep settings, you can see we have the night setting here, which I think looks amazing. And another one that I like is what's called the Milky Way scene. So this is sort of like the orbiting planets and it does look really good. I'll tell you what, for a lamp, I've never seen anything like this before. So other options here from within the app, you can go ahead and select the music tab. This will allow you to actually set your scenes based on the rhythm of the music, and the lamp will actually detect and hear the music that's playing, so it will be able to keep up with that beat. But the DIY feature, I think people are going to have a lot of fun with. But what really blows my mind is if you head over to the Advanced tab, you get this grid here. You can just go ahead and draw on this and it will add your picture into the lamp. I know that's not the best example, but there's a little smiley face. And yes, I've set the effects for like a finger sketch breathing effect. You can see the face is actually appearing on the lamp. That took, what, 2 seconds to do that? And there's a whole host of customization here. Right now, it's just a red face on a white background. Of course, you can go ham with all of the different colors, depending on what you want to do. And you can save these sketches as presets as well, so that you can bring them back whenever you wish. You can alter the movements and pretty much everything. You get full control here, which is one of the things I love about the Govee Lamp 2. And it is definitely going to be suitable for all rooms, whether they be bedroom, living room, gaming room. And with the app, you can easily switch between the warm lighting and obviously the more vibrant effects. But I'm definitely a big fan of the Govee Smart Lamp 2. I love all of the options that are available at your fingertips. So folks, hopefully this video has been helpful to you. Thanks for checking out this product review, and I'll see you next time.